Hey, peace and love. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get to it. No music today or nothing like that. I planned on doing a couple more live streams um, during the trading days, But just to go over what an overview of Sunday's video. Sunday, I talked about what the market, what I was seeing in the charts, and we see that's playing out right now in the market. Um, hmm. Why is my chart not my is my chart even showing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we're looking at SPY right now. Um, I took everything off with a clean chart so we could see before I put all my indicators back on there. Um, this morning we went in with SPY puts and was expecting that, like I talked about, last week Thursday and Friday, it popped off uh, but it basically ran into a brick wall, as you can see with my trend lines and whatnot. SPY ran into a brick wall. It ran into some resistance and whatnot. And if we just look to the left, we'll see that this is really a consolidation zone right here. This is what it does. It gets up in here, it's just boring, and it has a chop fest. And it tends to do that. If you look even a week prior to that, it was in another chop fest. Um, and so we've been watching it and whatnot. This morning we decided to go in with puts. Um, it's looking pretty good. It's already wiped out nearly half of last week's. I think like the 425 level, if I'm not mistaken, is like the 50% mark of last week's candle. If we look at the weekly chart, let's look at the weekly chart. So, um, yeah, it's on a downtrend, coming down to test this low here, you know. So let's pan out back to the daily chart. Sheesh, I need some water. Hold on. Yeah, I hate warm water. Has to be ice cold. But anyway, we see it right now. It's just plunging and whatnot. And so on Sunday's video, I talked about the trend being our friend. It's a common cliche that's used and whatnot, and that's true. And that's something that I believe in, and how the market has been on this downward trend and whatnot, and getting caught with calls. Um, Calls at this point is it has been scalps for a while, Um, and so it's looking pretty good, like it's gonna get down here around in this level, this resistance level around 425 ish today. That's what my target is at least. Um, but anyways, the market is see it's free once it breaks through this level of support right here. It's a free fall, right? So this thing is gonna dump. The way it's looking right now, it's looking like it's getting ready to take a dump. Um, and so also I was looking at and you know I want to share this like for me like I had took like about a month away from trading because I was trading like every day. And you get fatigued and burned out from that. I was still calling plays for my team and whatnot, but my execution was getting out of hand because I wasn't really focused. I'm trying to do all this other stuff and whatnot, and trying to be in every play. You don't really have to do that. Just find you a nice setup, be patient, and let the market pay you. Let the market do what it do. There's no sense in uh, fighting this trend or whatever. When the market is starting to do this, what it does, what I call when it goes red, I call it turning off the lights. It's like because I swear it's like something could be running, and then it's like they pull the damn plug, and the market just starts plunging. So as a trader, you got to be prepared for that stuff. So I had to take some time. That was a great thing I did. I taking some time and watching, right? And being in the game and whatnot, and seeing little different things and seeing the tendencies of the market and stuff like that. So also want to look at something else that was looking pretty good. Tesla. This is the clean chart. We see that it's starting to make this reversal. There's a shift going on right now. It's already below the close of yesterday's candle, and it's plunging down here. And I got some targets on here that I'm looking for. I'm trying to see. So I'm. It's the same way with the SPY. It's the same way with a company like Tesla and a few others. The markets are pulling back. We're looking at look over here, down nearly 2%. That's all the major indices, SPY, uh, NASDAQ, and the Dow. The Dow is already down 2 points. And let's look at Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin, um, after surging real hard now today, didn't take out these highs over here. I don't like that. It's probably going to do the same thing, pull back and pull back really hard too. So um, this is just what's going on in the market today. I was able to get in on Tesla, doing really well. Um, I guess because um, one of the Lucid went to earnings yesterday or whatever, and they something I was reading about. They're cutting back 40% of the workforce or production. I'm sorry. So that's not good news. And as I'm sure they are, they gap down. So um, I did that. I did not do that off the news. I did not get into Tesla because of the news. I got into Tesla because of chart. Chart was telling me when I put all my trend, it did nothing. This is a strong trend line. And whenever it gets up here at the top of this channel, it bounces. So we're looking to get back right back down here and take out last week's low. So, and then the news from Lucid kind of helps, because now we also went in on Neo. And Neo is plunging as well today. And the market is with you. And so just trying to show and share, particularly with my team, that there's no need in fighting the market. Take what it's giving you. You got bearish trends working on or pullbacks, reversals, pivots, whatever you want to call it, on EVs. Then you got news that gives confirmation to the information you already see right before your face. That makes it even better. And the market is going in your way, So just wanted to share that with you all. Hey, I'm getting ready to get up out of here. Hey, what's up, Rochelle? Send me some tickers or something like that y'all want me to take a look at. And whatnot. Starting to put together a whole lot of content, to start unleashing and whatnot. So I'm gonna start growing the channel, and I need you all help. Hit the share button, hit the like button. Reach out to me, send me some tickers, ask some questions, things like that. Let's get it cracking. I'm gonna get up out of here now. Peace.